All right, the little red dot says I'm live and I want to get into it right away. I don't want to waste any of your time whatsoever. I know you're a busy professional and I know you want to make money. That's the whole point of this channel. So here's Canva, okay? Here's Canva. So what I'm going to show you today is how I use Canva to make my listings and my social media ads pop when it comes to listings and when it comes to Facebook Marketplace, uh, housing listing post, okay? Stick with me. Stick with me. You're going to enjoy this. So right here is Canva. I want to create a new design, and I always create the YouTube thumbnail. You can create all sorts of different design sizes right here using custom sizes right here, but I just use the YouTube thumbnail on 99% of every single thing I do. So right here is my canvas, that blank screen right there in front of you. Let me upload the house I want to work on. So I'm going to jump over to the house I want to work on. So I organize mine by real estate, and then I organize it by alphabetical, A through H, I through P, Q through Z, and then streets. This house starts with an S. I'm going to jump into that folder, and then here are two images that I took of the house with my cell phone. It's a iPhone 13 mini, because I've got small hands. I use an iPhone 13 mini, and these are two pictures that I took of the house. So there they popped up right there. I'm going to look at them, and I want one that has more of the front porch. So this one right here has a better angle of the front porch, and I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to fill my canvas with it, okay? There is my canvas full right there. Now, as soon as you fill your canvas full of it, click on the image, and you see how this popped up right here? This little duplicate button, click it. Now, you see how I have a second image right here? See, there's an image right here and an image right here. On this new second image, make sure it's outlined in purple like it is right here, and then go over to Edit Photo and remove the background. My internet's a little slow. I'm going to get fiber in December. Right now, I'm on the waiting list to get fiber. So now that I have this second image right here with the background gone, see how the sky is gone now? And you can see behind the picture. Do you guys see that? Now I'm going to crop it, and I'm going to pull the crop down. Why is it? I'm going to pull the crop down to the top of the rooftop. I'm not going to cut the rooftop off. I'm going to pull it to the top of the rooftop right there. And that's going to make it easier for me to move around and manipulate the photo on the canvas. See how I can move it around now, and there's space above it. And then I simply line this up perfectly with the roof that's already there. In Canva, it's literally popping the picture into place for me. So I don't have to try that hard. It's literally just popping the picture into place. Hopefully you can see that on the screen. Okay, so now I've got the main image right there with the sky. And then I have a second image on top of the main image with no sky because Canva removed the background. Are you guys with me? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if you're with me. Now watch this. Add text. I like all caps. If you don't like all caps, that's you. But my goal is to stop the scroll. My goal is out of a plethora of houses, I want people to be drawn in to the house that I'm advertising. So I use all caps. So I'm going to turn on caps lock. Caps lock is on. Now I like to use the price because in Oklahoma, our prices are mind-blowing to the rest of the country. Our prices are like half of what the median is in the rest of the country. So I can usually get people's attention with the price. Now, if you're not necessarily advertising a specific house, but you're advertising more of a location, more of a lifestyle, use the city. If you're advertising more of a lifestyle, okay? And if your city's name isn't that long, just do a comma and then put the state's initials, all right? Because you want it to take up this whole area right here. You want it to take up this whole area right here. Now watch this. This is the trick. So I bring it over to where Canva brings that box up. And I bring it over to where Canva brings that box up right there. And then I scooch it up almost to the top, but see how it doesn't go all the way to the top? See how there's a space between the top and the bottom? I don't want that much of the word moved. So I'm going to do about right there, okay? Now watch this part. See this button right here, position? See that position button? Click on it. Click backwards, not to back, but backwards, and then click off the canvas. Doesn't that look interesting? Doesn't that look like, hey, that's kind of cool? That's going to stop the scroll. It doesn't have to be something elaborate. It doesn't have to be something crazy. I mean, if you wanted to really stop the scroll, you would put flames behind the house, like burning, sulfur, hellfire. That will really stop the scroll. From everyone that I watch on YouTube and things to get people to stop, fire is a big thing right now. But I don't want hellfire and brimstone related with my ads. That's not what I want. So that's for a lifestyle right there, the city lifestyle. Okay. But if you want more of a price range, guys, just put the price. Okay. I'm going to scooch this over just a little bit. I want sort of the comma out there. Let me pull this over right here. I want some of the comma out there, but I want it to be a little bit bigger right there, and then click off of it. And if I want to fill this space to the right of it, I could put the word dollars. Oops, but I won't capitalize the dollars. I use capitalization when I'm doing the city. Okay, so that does it. So I'm going to shrink it just a little bit right here and then get off of it. Yeah. Yeah. See, that sort of stops it. Even that tree is in front of the word dollars. Doesn't that look cool? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if that looks cool. Thumbs up if that's something that you'll be able to implement into your business. Stop the scroll. Get more people to click on your ads so you could sell them more homes. Give it a thumbs up if you found value in that. That is today's marketing real estate agent tip video. As always, if you're a broker owner, a team leader, or a real estate agent, I'm looking for 47 more agents that I want to work with on a close one-on-one group setting basis. I want to introduce you to Channel Junkies Network. I want to introduce you to the Honey Badgers Network. And of course, I want to partner with you over at EXP Realty. If you're in a spot where you're the big fish in the sea, if you're a broker owner and you're tired of being a broker owner, and you just want to go back to being a team leader, get on my calendar down below, get on it so we can have a one-on-one. I can go deep with you on everything about how EXP Realty is obsessed with agent success so you can make a decision on if partnering with me over at EXP Realty with the Channel Junkies and with Honey Badger Nation is the right decision for you and your real estate business. I think it is, but I'm partial, and I want 47 more agents to partner with so we can help each other be successful and just grow our real estate business beyond our expectations ever. All right. If you're new to EXP Realty and you want to know a little bit more about EXP Realty before getting on my calendar below, you're in luck. I've got a great little short 9-minute video on EXP Realty that I'm going to start right now.
Welcome to EXP Realty. This is an overview of one of the most innovative real estate brokerage models today. A global community designed, powered, and owned by our agents and partners, transforming the real estate experience. Our family of agents build their own businesses while having equity opportunities in EXP World holdings. As technology has transformed entertainment, hospitality, transportation, and retail, it's now transforming the real estate industry. There's been little to no innovation with the old-fashioned real estate models. Franchise brokerages all start with the company at the top, which feeds down to regions, followed by offices or market centers, followed by a local manager or team leader. The focus was on the brokerage and their brand, not on the agent and their business. The evolution of real estate brokerages has always been driven by how agents get paid. This can be clearly seen with EXP's growth compared to old-fashioned models. At EXP Realty, we've eliminated old-fashioned bloat by removing franchises, territories, brick and mortar, and redundant layers of management. By doing this, we've created opportunity to give equity back to the agents and have made the agent the focal point of their business. We do this by having multiple income opportunities within our model and leveraging our fully immersive cloud office environment where agents enjoy 24/7 access to state-of-the-art collaborative tools, coaching, support, and socialization. EXP Realty continues to experience consistent record-breaking year-over-year growth with a mission to reach 1 million agents globally. It all began in the United States and Canada, with EXP Realty perfecting the model over the first 10 years, laying the foundation for our global expansion. Our international footprint now expands over 6 of the 7 continents. Our core values define our culture and ensure decisions are always aligned. Like being agile allows us to make adjustments at any time for our agents and their clients. EXP is at the forefront of technology. Every agent gets their own lead generation CRM system called KV Core. For a non-EXP agent, it could cost over $5,000 a year. This industry-leading system provides you with a behavioral-driven, personalized IDX website, CRM, email, and text campaigns. You'll always be notified of your contact's behavior, helping you convert and close more transactions. SkySlope allows agents to manage their business totally paperless. This all-in-one transaction management system helps you effortlessly stay organized with your transactions. All of your important data is contained on one detailed checklist, so you have everything in one place. One of our top priorities is building our own technology. Our back-office business intelligence center gives agents both autonomy and great visibility into their business. Within your dashboard, you'll be able to monitor your performance metrics, commissions, revenue share, equity awards, transactions, and more. Whether you need a quick postcard or a full presentation, the EXP Marketing Center has it all. You can edit marketing collateral within minutes by choosing from over 5,000 marketing pieces. In fact, when a new listing is added to your MLS, you'll get an email with marketing items created automatically for your listing. Welcome to EXP World, our 3-dimensional virtual cloud-based office environment. Meet, learn, and collaborate with agents and staff from anywhere with an internet connection. Join a meeting or training within a community via your phone, tablet, or computer. In EXP World, agents get real-time live support from our over 1,000 full-time staff members. Access over 80 hours of live training weekly in EXP World. Our training focuses on industry best practices, how to grow profitable real estate business, professional development, and much more. These sessions are taught not only by our highly experienced training department professionals, but also by our top producing agents and teams from around the world. EXP Realty agents also have access to Workplace by Facebook, which is a dedicated and secure working space to connect, communicate, and collaborate with other agents and EXP staff. You'll be able to use familiar Facebook features like newsfeed, groups, messages, and events to get things done quickly and efficiently. We understand that some agents enjoy the office setting from time to time, which is why every agent at EXP gets a global membership to Regus shared offices and their new brand spaces. Regus offers 3,000 office locations in over 900 cities in 120 countries. Every agent at EXP has the opportunity to become a shareholder in EXP World Holdings. Earn equity awards for closing your first transaction each year, capping each year, and every time an agent you attracted joins EXP and does their first transaction. Our agent equity program helps agents prepare for retirement. You can elect to take 5% of your gross commission per transaction and buy the company's stock at a 10% discount. Our ticker symbol is EXPI. Note that some stock awards are subject to vesting. EXP's Icon Agent program is unmatched within the industry. Our founder, Glenn Sanford, strongly believes that top-producing agents should be rewarded for their contribution. There are 2 ways to qualify for Icon status: $5,000 paid in post-cap transaction fees, or $500,000 annual GCI with a minimum of 10 closed transactions. When you achieve Icon status, you'll receive 100% of your cap that you paid to EXP back in the form of company stock, essentially putting you at a 100% commission split. One of the most exciting aspects of our compensation plan is our revenue sharing model, which allows you to build a monthly leveraged income by attracting productive agents to the company. Here's a breakdown of how the revenue sharing model works. Tier 1 contains the agents that you personally attracted to the brokerage. For each transaction on this tier, you'll get 3.5% of their total commission. This amount is taken out of EXP's 20%, not out of the agent's 80% commission. Once the agent has hit their annual cap, they start receiving 100% of their commissions. You therefore no longer receive income from their deals for the remainder of the year, which is why the max you can earn on this tier per agent is $2,800. You can earn on all 7 tiers, but it's contingent upon how many agents you've personally attracted to the brokerage and their level of production. For example, if you attract 5 producing agents, you earn exponential share in commissions on Tier 1 and Tier 2, which are agents that your Tier 1 agents attracted. If you attracted 10 producing agents, you earn exponential share in commissions on Tier 1, Tier 2, and also on Tier 3, which are agents that your Tier 2 agents attracted. On Tiers 4 through 7, you'll still receive a reduced share in commissions, which is called our expansion sharing. So let's go through a quick example of how you can create a monthly leveraged income through the revenue share program. Here's you. You personally attract 5 capping agents. Then, each of those 5 agents attract 5 capping agents of their own, giving you 5 agents of Tier 1 and 25 agents on Tier 2. For the 5 capping agents on Tier 1, you earn up to $2,800 each. And for the 25 capping agents on Tier 2, you earn up to $3,200 each, giving you an annual leveraged income of up to $94,000. But note that these figures are based on each one of these agents capping, which is approximately selling $2.7 million of real estate per year, with an average commission of 3%. You can speak to an EXP agent or staff member for further explanation. Express offers a revolutionary new home selling option for homeowners who want to skip the hassle and uncertainty of a traditional home sale. The platform connects sellers with institutional buyers who can pay cash and close quickly. Unlike other iBuyer platforms, Express Offers allows agents to receive real estate commissions. At EXP, you'll never pay a desk fee, royalty fee, or franchise fee. Every agent is treated equally and is on an 80-20 split, which caps each year at $16,000. You then receive 100% commission for the remainder of your year. Here's the amazing part. It's only $149 to join EXP, and that includes your first month's $85 brokerage fee. On each transaction, there's a $25 broker review fee and a $40 risk management fee. The risk management fee caps at $500 each year. We're also excited to announce that we've added a low-cost healthcare alternative. Our agents get a one-on-one virtual consultation to ensure they've selected the right plan. EXP Realty continues to set industry records, becoming the #1 independent brokerage in the U.S. for closed transactions. For more information, reach out to the agent who shared this video with you.
What'd you like most? What'd you like most? What do you want to go deep on? Okay. It's mind-blowing once you actually see it. And like the video said, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Looking for 47 more agents to partner with on a group one-on-one basis. I want to, if you're a broker owner, team leader, or real estate agent, you're looking to take your business to the next level, whether that's expanding your team internationally or just you want to focus on your local market, get on my calendar down below. Let's chat more about how we can work together. See you guys on the next video. And if you found value in this video on the Canva part, share it with any of your friends. And if you found value in the EXP Realty brokerage model part, share it with any of your friends. That way we can all work together. This video popping up right here, this video right there, YouTube thinks that you might want to watch it too. So you might give it a shot.